maybe 2 pounds, not much. It is made by Bissell. It's a great little vacuum, but what is really awesome about it, you can step on it, and now you got a little vac for your furniture. I use this every day when we're with the dogs. Now, what's really cool about it, you can, I have to undo this for you to show you what is really cool. If you don't want that long handle, there you go. You got your little Bissell. Oh, to clean. Up on top of things, under things, it works great. And the other super nice thing about it, it's bagless. So you just push this and take this off. It's bagless. I think I paid like $22 for it. Put that back in, you dump it, and put it back on. So this I use on, it's only 12 volt, so you can, you need your generator or some solar power or something, have your batteries charged to run this. But if I can put it back together, it does slip back together pretty simple. I'm just not that mechanical. And this little foot piece here slips back on here. And it's so handy for the dogs. If you had 6 dogs living in your little RV, you would understand why I use this every day. It's 5 minutes, but it's an everyday little thing. And easy to store, easy to lift. I have bad shoulders, so it's easy. I love it. So this is a must when you have a bunch of dogs that some shed, some don't. But it's a great little handy tool.